My name is Bea Hammond. I'm one of a number of licensed acupuncturists who work here at the Cancer Wellness House. Acupuncture is a wonderful tool to help anybody who is going through a very stressful time, who's going through cancer treatments, chemo, radiation, recovery from surgery. Acupuncture works very well for the so-called chemo brain. It helps clarify the brain. People are able to feel more awake after an acupuncture treatment. Acupuncture is also really wonderful to reduce stress. While somebody receives an acupuncture treatment, endorphins are being released, and so we usually go in a really deep state of relaxation. People having pain conditions from surgery, from the treatments, the acupuncture will also help with that. Our bodies start releasing our body's own painkillers. We release opiates, so people actually can have an immediate relief from pain during the acupuncture treatment, and it usually lasts for several days and sometimes months after the session. The beauty of acupuncture is that it doesn't hurt. We use needles that are very thin, and I'm just inserting them slightly into the skin. It's painless to the patient, but it has a tremendous effect on the body. So the needles are very thin. Of course, they're sterile, just a one-time use. We use stainless needles, and I don't know if the camera can capture that, but they're really not much thicker than our hair, and they're very flexible. Treatment, I always work on the scalp to help stimulate brain functions and work on the chemo brain. I always like to do the third eye, which helps to relax the mind, calms the mind. We use 4 points called the 4 gates, 2 here on the hand and 2 on top of the foot, and they're basically floodgates that help to really move energy through the body. These points on top of the foot are liver points. These points are also really good for digestion. And then I always like to use this point to help improve immune system. I'm using a little guiding tube that I put on top of the skin, and then I'm going to tell you to take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. So the needle is in about 1/2 inch. Did you feel that? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to do the liver points, which are also really great detox points right here. Take a deep breath. That's sometimes a little more sensitive to needle because this skin is a little thinner there. Did that hurt you?
No.
Okay. Okay, take another deep breath and breathe out. Good. Great. Here. And let's do the last needle between your eyes. Okay, so this would be a complete treatment for somebody who's going through a lot of stress and needs some immune system boost and some more clarity. And the needles will stay in for about 25 to 30 minutes, and after that the person is ready to go out and continue with whatever they were planning on doing for the rest of the day.